Negasi. Alamat Town baru. John? Apa Ami Polik John? Jagung? Setuju, jagung.
Di studio Jayagiri, Santai, Ningahang, lagu kesukaan Meme Nak Bali. Awasan Yamat Kesempatan. We live only once, Ratu. Yamat Kesempatan. We live only once.
You know that we live only once.
Ruska America is Barakat. Hidup Achapok again.
Let me something crazy. Let me something noisy with us. That can change your whole life.
Setuju.
And we live only once, so never feeling lazy, never feeling lonely. Let's make something crazy. Let's make something noisy with us. That can change your whole life. Jadi nggak pas ke kecil tuh sudah hilang.
Sama konsep hari ini.
Kamu rasa enak udah foto. Nggak
Usah. Oren meme juga kayak kan. Tata. Tata teh tata. Tata. 1, 2, 3.
I can do this. I will do this. I can do this. I will do this. You made your choice and now you leave it. You saw your hand, I don't believe it. You walked the line and now you cross it. You broke my heart and then disposed it. I give my soul to you. In love time, you lied to me and then became me. I turned away, it's all understanding. How can you love me once and then ignore me? How can you love me twice with all your stories? How can you sleep at night and dream of freedom? Freedom, when all you do is take and then you leave. Come on, how could you do this? I hate you now. How could you do this? And now you're down wrong. How could you do this? I hate you now. How could you do this? Jumpa kembali, berbagi cinta kasih. Tersulang lalu lepaskan semua dendam-dendammu, benci-bencimu yang menjadi penghalang kita bersama. Hanya cinta yang bisa menunjukkan kita bersama. Tanpa kekerasan, tanpa kebencian, damai selalu. Katakan cinta kepada dunia, damai selalu. Halo, halo. Apa kabarmu kawan? Lama kita tak berjumpa, berbagi kemesraan. Biarkan ku mencintaimu, ku menyayangimu, kasih untuk selamanya.
Rasa mekelo beli sing taen ketemu, ngajak adi ada di samping beli. Dia stun dibi ira raga subotain ketemu.
Yang nyawa berkorban atas cinta, atas nama cinta, mencintai beli, menyayangi beli.
Dan yang menggarap sebagian besar adalah musisi dari Jayagiri Production, semisal Ram 4WJ itu sudah terbukti bahwa kebetulan sudah hadir di tengah kita. Ini terbukti sudah beberapa kali bisa mengangkat nama artis dari Jayagiri seperti